No, no, no. PASS is not only Brady's secret weapon. It's also a super simple yet effective copywriting framework that you can use in your ads. Hey, I'm Jason Carroll, and over the last 10 years, I've spent tens of millions of dollars on advertising and generated well over 9 figures in returns for my clients. And one of the main reasons I was able to have that success in advertising was because of copywriting, and specifically copywriting frameworks. And one of my favorites is PASS, or Problem, Agitate, Solution. And it's a secret sauce to get those delicious conversions. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what is Problem, Agitate, Solution and provide a couple of examples so you can know how to use this effective ad copywriting framework in your ads. All right, let's get into it. Problem, Agitate, Solution. You start with a problem. So you identify a problem that your target audience has, some sort of pesky annoyance that's been bothering them. This is the hook. And it could be something like, hey, are you struggling with your ad copy? Or, hey, are you tired even after a long night's sleep? This is the problem that the prospect is facing. Then we agitate. We paint a vivid yet relatable picture of how the prospect feels, and then you agitate. You create a vivid picture of how the prospect feels and what their fears are about the future. And if you can do that, then you've got them hooked. So an example would be, are you struggling with your copy? Problem. Did you know that 9 out of 10 businesses fail because of lack of effective communication with their clients? Now you agitate. You create fear, present fear about the potential future of this avatar, this audience that has your initial problem. Another example to play on the night sleep example is, are you tired even after a long night's sleep? Problem. Did you know that 39% of men over 40 suffer from low testosterone, which can lead to exhaustion and poor sleep and so on? This is the agitation. Again, presenting a fear that this person that can't sleep well, perhaps they're a man over 40 and maybe they have low testosterone. So now you've got them scared. You're agitating their problem. So that's agitate. And then the finale is solution. You give them the promise of a world where their problems are gone like Kaiser Soze. For example, are you struggling with your copy? Problem. Did you know that 9 out of 10 businesses fail because of a lack of effective communication with their clients or their customers? Agitate. Well, our new AI-assisted copywriting tool, Jason.ai, will write your copy with a push of a button in just a few seconds. And it's backed by 15 experts who have all this experience, and it's got 5 stars, and it's got guarantees and all these great things. The solution. Or the other example, are you tired even after a long night's sleep? There's the problem. Well, you might be surprised to hear that 39% of men over 40 suffer from low testosterone, which causes a lot of sleep problems. Agitate. But guess what? The good news is we have these new Lion's Mane Fusion gummies that are going to increase your testosterone by 44% in the next week, guaranteed, right? There's a presentation of the solution. So problem, agitate, solution. Try it out. Let me know if it improves your CTR and your conversions. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all those good things. And let me know in the comments what other types of videos like this you would like to see. Peace.